All right, time for another unboxing. Christmas came a few days early this year. We have two NG TU204s, a -100-300, and a JC Wing 727-200 as well. Like I said, I've been waiting for a little while for these. I'm glad they came. And let's get started with that one right there. We've got the TU204, the Russian state transport livery on this one. I'm quite happy with how NG's been making the TU204 molds. Seems like Panda's been doing it as well. But the NG seemed to be the better mold. Well, let's pop her open here and take a look-see. Immediately, this looks fantastic. Wheels all rolled on it. Looks really good. You know, another well-built model with NG. Looks like the gear's a little wide, actually, maybe not. Yeah, looks really good. Antenna, they poke you, so that's a good sign in my opinion. Color's really good. Striping on it, goes all the way down the fuselage there. Yeah, looks really good. Quite happy with this one. No complaints at all. Next we have, and I'm probably going to butcher this, so forgive me, the Mahan Air. And I saw this, and you know, the only other plane I'd see was the A340-600, which I had gotten recently from this airline, and I saw this one. I'm like, oh, gotta pick this one up. And as soon as I saw it in the pre-sales, so let's pop her open, and she looks fantastic. Very simple colors on it, but simple is sometimes better. Just take a look, see, and oh yeah, love it. Like I said, very simple, green and white. Got zero complaints. Another really good one from NG with these TU204s. Again, the antenna's pokey, which is good in my opinion. But yeah, I mean, really happy with these. No complaints at all. I'm so glad that, you know, some manufacturers are starting to put out the Russian-built airliners, and so far, so good. Pretty solid. Yeah, this is a great buy. Very happy. And lastly, we have the American 727-200 in the Astrojet color livery. Lately, I've been trying to get more of the retro livery, especially like Continental with the red and black meatballs. Those are very hard to come by, but I'm trying to do my best. I saw this pop up. I didn't have a 727 American 727 yet, but now I do. And already out of the box, we got a nice sheen to her. I believe these are polished bodies. Let's find out. Oh yeah. It's very light, actually. I'm really surprised. But rolling gear, it's nice. The door on the back. Yeah, very happy. I've got the a 737 and a 757 in the same chromed out body, but the painted titles on there. Which I thought was really good. It'll go with my go really well with what I got in terms of like the retro liveries that I've got going. Yeah, it's actually one of the only, I think, just the second or third 727 I have. That's one I gotta start picking more above. But very happy I got this. Very good to add this to my collection. No complaints. had a very interesting purchase here. You know, you have airline from the U.S., from Russia, and from Iran. So it's kind of, you know, going all over the globe here. But I'm very happy with all these. Nice to add, you know, another seven, you know, only my second or third 727, and then keep adding to the Tu-204s to what I already have. I'm very happy, especially with this one, just to go along with the A340-600 that I have. But all these I got from Midwest Bottle Store. I'll leave a link in the description below. Also, there'll be a 10% off coupon code down there on your next order. Definitely highly recommend them over there. They do great work, really fast shipping, really good communication if you have any questions. Get back to you in no time at all. But that's it for now. Hope you all have a very safe and happy holidays, and look forward to see what 2022 brings us.